fellow crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse. And if you joined the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, well, the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop did end. The fun was over on the 26th of March. And just wanted to let you guys know I won one thing from a Stampin' Up demonstrator. And the card that won was a surprise to me. I didn't think that would have been the card, but I know I showed you some of the cards that I had made earlier last week. And, this is so cute. I just love this stuff. But the one that won, I thought it would have been Mochi Girl. No. Thought it would have been the Greeting Farm. No. Maybe even the teddy bear, but no. Not the Lawn Fawn, not the Gerda. Is it Gerda Steiner? I think that's the name of the stamps. None of these won. So let me show you real quick because I was in a card making frenzy. But let me show you what did win. My Valentine's card. Remember this from the Honeybee Stamps haul that I had done where I showed you the cup, and then I think I colored this cup using the Ohuhu markers in blue as an example, and then with the two s'mores and this burlap heart from AliExpress. And AliExpress has a sale going on right now too, so one of their annual sales or something. So burlap heart, seeing that I just mentioned it, I will link it below. It's from, is it from KS Craft or KLJUI? One of those stores. Don't worry about the store. Just know, I think it has free shipping too. But everything else though is Honeybee Stamps. So that was my Coffee Lovers Blog Hop winner right there. But I thought it would have been this. This is like Mochi Donut Mochi Girl. And I mean, it's not a rocker card. It's a circular card. And it's a big one. I had to make the card big because of this image, but I'm going to explore this circular card again because I like it. I think it turned out really, really cute. And I had layered up with some, so these are the coffee elements. This is La La Land Crafts, die from my stash. See all that silver, shiny silver, matte silver, iridescent silver. Yeah, I was going to town. And then this beautiful cardstock in the back. This is a 6x6 pack that's sold by Not Too Shabby. The owner's name is Jamie. She has a small craft store in her, and I think she runs it out of her house too. She has now produced some papers, and isn't this cute? It's called Tuft. Is it Tuft and something? I don't want to say Tuft and Frosted or Frosted and Tuft, but this is supposed to be frosting with the Tuft. So I was, bouncing back the frosting with the frosting on the donuts, and all this. I thought this was the winner. No, but I still like it though. I think it's adorable. I love the card. And one of the last ones I made when my eyes were running water late at night was this one. I put the gingerbread. Remember the gingerbread I had, I showed you guys I was going to put on the treat box, the Sizzix treat box. Well, I used him here instead. And then this is a stamp and die set from my stash. And I made a little note card, a little A2 note card that flips up. And I put some little sparkles in his eyes. That didn't win. Thought my gnomes would have won. These are mini gnomes from Mama Elephant. Isn't this cute? And I know I had said, because I heard myself say it, when I was editing one of the last recent videos, I said, I don't like the mini Slimline, which is a 3x6 card. So you're gonna take a sheet of paper, 6x6, like so, score it down the middle or fold it in half and you'll have the 3x6. So I could do the card vertically or in this case, horizontally. Now, I heard myself say it and I was like, that's not the fighting spirit. So I decided to give the mini Slimline another chance. So you will see a few little mini Slimline cards from me. I'm not going to restrict myself because I do love Slimline cards, so I should embrace the mini Slimline. Here is one of them. Have my little coffee sentiment here. This is from the Stamps of Life. It layers up, so it comes with that background and just super cute, nice size. And then I have my little gnomes that I colored up like sort of like a pastel rainbow. And that brings you back to the, well, coffee and coffee. Cute, right? So mini Slimline. Then I took something else that you guys saw from Valentine's. Again, burlap. I know you haven't seen the burlap in a while, but still love my burlap. And I just took the free stamp that I got from Honeybee Stamps, free with purchase, and I added a coffee mug in an iridescent foil. So you can see it here, Galentine. I was going to cover this up. I was like, forget it. Cute. Then I thought maybe this would have won. This was one of my, this was one that I was working on for a little while before time ran out. I have here, this is a die set from my stash that makes this doll. And no, it's not AliExpress. It's LDRS Creative, actually. And you make this doll. You get all the pieces, and I layered it up, put her in purple, put a little coffee cup. And then this is a new set, recently released from Pink Fresh Studio. It's a washi stamp and die set. Cute. You know I had, look at the colors. What do I love? Purple. The other shade of like this maroony, burgundy-ish purple. This is just all purples and a little bit of turquoise. With enough coffee, anything is possible. That didn't win, but I still like it. Cute. And it opens out like so. And this is a Pink Fresh Studio background die. See, for the texture? Just on some Michael's purple cardstock. Cute. Also, for my daughter, Gina, I did Disney cups. This is Honeybee Stamps gift card cups. I didn't put the gift card in it. I just ran the card. It comes like this as one piece. I just cut it down the middle and then layered it up, and I made 2 Disney cups. I was like, I was just in the mood. I was just creating. It was just going like a factory. So I did, here I put the Mickey. This is a punch, a Mickey Mouse punch from EK Success. And this is from Queen and Company. They're magic for Disney. It's like they're Disney themed. Cute, right? I think that's cute. I'll use it on something else. You guys saw this from Valentine's. I submitted that. She's holding a cup. Because I only showed it here, I didn't submit for anything, so had my cup. And then here, that's my a little gnome stamp. This is Jaded Blossom. Don't know how I found it, but I was like, this. I just love the little gnome. And then I layered it up on this whole LDRS Creative frame die set. And it's an A2 die set. So it flips up like so. And I was using the Echo Park coffee papers, 6x6 paper pad, and sort of made a sort of a, I guess it kind of could even pass for kind of like a Easter spring gnome coffee set. And I used some of the ephemera there. Thought that would have gotten it. Then here, remember this? Remember that Pink Fresh Studio Floral Notes stamp and die with the stencil? I colored it with the stencils, and I had the long card. I will link it below, but it was a full slimline card. I just took my trimmer, trimmed it off, popped on a little greeting farm image holding a cup. This was a card that I made for a friend of mine, and I gave her the black one instead. But I thought it worked out fine. I was like, this is really cute. So I turned it into a mini slimline, just trim it off. And then I went wonky with some, what is this? Iridescent paste. This one I didn't even bother. I don't think I submitted it. I took photographs of it. It was just looking too crazy. But I had fun making it, but I didn't love it, so I didn't even bother. But this is another little bit bigger than a mini slimline, but it's still mini to me. 6 by 3 3/4. Oops. 6 by 3 3/4. And the stamps, those are the fairies are Hello Bluebird. And the cup, I have a lot of these cup dies from my stash, but I wasn't feeling it. I don't know. Then last card was because it was the coffee lovers, but it could have been coffee, tea, or cocoa. I was doing tea with honey. This is this is from Honeybee Stamps. This, I think, the little honeycomb, the little stir, those are from Momenta dies. And the cup, that's from Concord and Ninth. And this background die set, which I will have to show you guys a little bit closer up, is from LDRS Creative. It even features this cute, look at that, double stitched. And the papers is a paper line that I found on scrapbook.com. It comes with this, you know, beautiful, like, I guess it's like a butter yellow, lavender, and then with all the bees, it's like a bee theme paper. Really, really cute. And so I kind of did a thing with this. That didn't win. And that is pretty much, no, one more, last one that I submitted. This. You guys remember this was for Valentine's. It's a shaker. And then on the top I had the heart burlap, and I had nothing on top of my heart burlap. So I popped 2 coffee cups out of that frosted and tufted paper from Not Too Shabby. See, that's supposed to be chocolate frosting dripping out of the cup. I don't know, like a hot cocoa thing. Cute, 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 cute. So sometimes you can make a card, and you know, if you're just having fun making cards, you don't have to necessarily designate it. Just leave. I left this burlap wide open, and then I stuck something on top of it. And if I didn't put the love, I could have put happy birthday and then put something here for a friend. Alrighty, I think that's pretty much it. So, like I said, there is a sale currently going on at AliExpress, and my favorite things, MFT stamps. They're having, this is their last day of 25% off site-wide, and it includes their sale category, which is their Wednesday extra sale. You see, so it's already discounted plus the additional 25. Yeah. That's at their website, extra 25% using the code Crafty, CRAFTY 2. They extended the sale one more day. So if you see this in time, if you can get there before midnight tonight, you should be able to get some deals. They don't have any Misties available, so it would have applied to the Misty, but they're out of the Misty. If you're looking, that's the best way to buy a Misty, on sale. Some sort of discount. Because the $60 is like, oh no, I want it for $45. You know, that would have helped with the 25 off. And also on my favorite things, don't forget when you're checking out to use Afterpay, where you get the 4 flex pay. Kind of like a HSN, all right? Alrighty, crafters. So until my next video, winner. But I really thought it would have been this one, because that's my personal favorite right there. All that pink goodness. Alrighty, crafters. Until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. And I'll tell you about the next Coffee Lovers Blog Hop contest too, so you guys can all join in on the fun. Because they had a lot of sponsors and 1,000 cards submitted, over 1,000. Alrighty? Alrighty, crafters. Until next time. Bye.